Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you where to find chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and see their chart of accounts. Maybe you want to see which chart of accounts your bookkeeper has set up in your QuickBooks account. How do you actually go ahead and find it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to find your chart of accounts, first you're going to log on to QuickBooks Online. Then on the left hand side, you want to click on the toggle button for menu. And I also want to point out, guys, that I am in the accountant view. So in order to switch views, click on the gear icon and then click on this if you're not in the accountant view, or else your view might look different from mine. But once you have this menu open, you want to highlight where it says transactions, and then you want to find chart of accounts. And there you have it, guys. That right there is how to find chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.